How to use E-INVOICE Power Search. Overview. The E-INVOICE Power Search helps users easily track the status of their e-invoices, showing whether they are pending, validated, or canceled, and so on. It also allows users to submit multiple e-invoices at once, making the process faster and more efficient. Scenario: use the E-INVOICE Power Search to find specific transactions or submit batches. You can also follow up on rejected requests and review all e-invoice transactions in the consolidated list. Solution: pending or invalid status and batch submission. Go to E-INVOICE module, then E-INVOICE Power Search. User can filter by date, customer or supplier, etc. from the filtering screen. Remark: by default, system displays all document type and the status as pending and invalid. Click Inquiry. System display the transaction in pending or invalid tab. To submit transaction by batch, user can tick the transactions and click Submit e-invoice. System will proceed accordingly until completely. If there is any transaction failed to submit, system display error in invalid code and invalid message columns and update the result in that transaction as well. For the transaction submitted successfully, system will update the status as valid in the transaction as well. Submitted, valid, canceled, and canceled internal. To view the status as submitted, valid, and canceled, select from E-INVOICE status and click Inquiry. System display result in status tab. Remark: canceled. The transaction was submitted for E-INVOICE, then canceled by the user. Canceled internal. The transaction wasn't submitted for E-INVOICE, and the user canceled it while it was still pending. Reject requested and reject requested expired. User can proceed reject function in purchase invoice, which the supplier self-billed type as none. Notice that the status is still valid even though user has updated as rejected because this request is pending supplier to cancel. User can view the status in reject requested for follow-up purpose. If the request is exceeding 72 hours, system will display it in reject requested expired tab. Consolidated. Select E-INVOICE status as pending and click Inquiry. System displays transaction under consolidated E-INVOICE, no matter the E-INVOICE status is valid or pending. And that's how you can easily use the E-INVOICE Power Search in quick and easy steps. See you in our next video.
Q&E Optimum, your trusted partner in simplifying accounting. E-INVOICE ready.